Hi guys, the Simple Club here, at your service. Do you want to know what's really corrosive? It's known as an ampholyte. Do you also want to know why? Of course! Well, let's take a closer look. For anyone who hasn't cottoned on somehow, ampholytes have to do with acids and bases. So it will be easier if you've already got a good idea of what those are. To help you understand everything here, you should make sure you've checked out the earlier videos on that. So we know the theory of acids and bases from good old Bronsted. Now, ampholytes are simply special substances which don't really know whether they want to be acids or bases. Time to find ourselves an example. As we've seen so often, plain boring water is a great example. Now, regular water or H2O is an ampholyte. That means that water can act as an acid, but it can just as easily act as a base. How could that be? Great question. Let's take a look at what happens to water when we add an acid to it. For that, let's take good old hydrochloric acid. After the reaction, it looks like this. The water has stolen an H+ ion from the hydrochloric acid and now exists as an oxonium ion. The hydrochloric acid gives up protons and earns its name as an acid, and the water takes up protons so it would pass for a base. Exactly the opposite happens when we bring water in contact with a base. An example with ammonia, NH3. Here, water doesn't take any protons. Instead, it gives them up, just like an acid. Ammonia happily takes up this proton, that is an H+ ion, and so reacts like a base. What's also interesting is that with water, you don't need acids or bases to see this effect. The so-called autoprotolysis of water also demonstrates this very clearly. If we take water and have a bit of patience, we could see this funny reaction. Two water molecules decompose into one oxonium ion and one hydroxide ion. But the reaction arrow doesn't point in only one direction here. So this process is always taking place in both directions. The water splits in two, and then the ions join back together again. Whoa! We're already at the end. Let's quickly summarize the most important points. Ampholytes are just substances which can appear as either bases or acids depending on their surroundings. Water is an excellent example. Water reacts with acids as a base and with bases as an acid. That was all, folks. Check it out again and see you soon!